jogo kanitie makosa manyotimore. First of all, is there any report in any of the police station in Homa Bay? Wangeni nyoto. But 10 news. The affected party, bendo saw the report. Mtokni nyogo. The affected party saw the report. Mtoknigo. Benye udika police. Mundo gibed examined. Mundo gina mogoyo gi. Jinyen go pangi, pichi nyalo som. Bundu wange joka, bujoka wa inoke. Ando nyabiroka, ngani manyokila. And that process is not there. Chik bendo yie ma Kenya kae, jomine no uwe ugino kinde. Nigi nyalo timo private prosecution. Kopo ni ochopo kang, masirikal okunyal prosecute jogo. Through director of public prosecution. Ginyalo make an application in court. They will be hard. Tinye jo Kenya ero blogi kumuko out of proportion mondo ginyeo go support ma oya ema chalgoyo lang pa pile pile. I expect ni jo mawuyo gigi nyomane ni struggle since 1992. By now ntie against manwaso make. Magik matindo gi onego ji ae. Gimone obene no okay. Nikika investigate I will tell you ni samwade kamoro gimwarango ni the element of provocation. Ivinjo South Africa ne nga rule moro ma owacho ni to in no go ini inti provoke gocho ni marom nade. You see, as we develop the scale of justice, onego rangi into ini won me complain me into participation marry to that thing I know. Then Koraki knew how to create discipline within the society. We are now a country most moved. You so much, a lot of things have happened. You will get on every time in politics. Every time in politics. Why the leadership of the country when President Ruto, everything stops with him. But in midwaga complain into participation Mariana. Can you watch you need the Homa Bay? Chikwacho ni Nduku ni he notified the police. Did you do it? The police know is unang. Bange mane udo ondrecha be Nduku ni police ni wawinjo kanitie siemo moko ma kum ngane. Usoluongo ge budayo dhoge. You understand? Kwa dwa bedo joma procedural madwa gero gimoro. Twarangur gik mwadwa timo. It is wrong ni iketa position moro ma ini won koro jidwa chako penyo integrity mari. So to me, gimajo wago wacho, apani gidwa entertain why too much politics. As opposed to gimone ogetem. Gimone ogetem, and okineka gini is even more serious than what they are talking about. Nike jiso chako tho. Okwangen gin joma Homa Bay, kata gin joma nyoteri. Okwadwa kwana ngane otho. Wadwa ngeni ni mithone. Constituency mea ine kanye. Mondo rank proximity. In ngama nyokele. To nyithi omango. Kwa kwa bro ngeo whether nyin ga ideal purpose mar di Homa Bay or nyin ngama ngate mutingo mondo dio participate in the crime. Or in ngama ja Homa Bay majok mobiro ka o provoke lwenyi bi bedo victim. These things must be integrated. Bugirangi maber emomio aparo ni gimaduo ma jogo kogotim. Let them report the matter. One in police otimango. Ka police will fail, they know the procedure. Lawyers might this country even to bring that private prosecution. But it was silent. But people have been taken to court with these very lawyers. So to me, I want us to distinguish politics. What do I achieve? The truth of the matter is, the call for ICC to is too larger call for nothing. A too larger call for nothing. They just want to entertain us and waste our time.
Mane momio wakili wacho ni eno hiyo. Onge tiendegi sani. Juma, intakia ni korkakori. Wachumakoro kwith maketu sirikal tesre. Sani koro sundo ICC. Marmondo mio bi onon jaten. Piny Kenya kalure kod wechego. Mago mag njore pachokae.
Arabinda yie kod